By the time we save this, because we have linked our style.css with our index.html, we'll see that our red will now what? Our red will now show, okay? Our red will now show because we have linked it together. So the P we wrote here can now connect with the P we defined in our style.css, okay? So this link relationship, okay, it goes into your head version, okay? It goes into your head element, okay? Good. So now if we decide to, let's delete our style.css, okay? Let's delete it. Okay, so we'll move to recycle bin, okay? So having deleted that, if we save our page and we come back to our, we see that it has gone back to black, okay? So now if we want to do internal CSS, okay, remember that in our CSS class we said we have the inline CSS, the internal CSS, and we have the external CSS, okay? So the external CSS is what goes into your style.css file, okay, while the internal CSS, we have to bring that into our head element, okay? That's where we say we open our style, okay? We open our style, okay? Then inside our style, that's inside our head, okay? Then we now say P, okay? We now say color, okay? Is what? Is red, okay? By the time we save that and come back to our browser, we see that it has changed to what? To red back, okay? So if we decide to change it to green here, let's change to green here and we save it, and then we come back to our browser, it has changed to green, okay? Good. So your linking to your external CSS will go into your head, okay? Then your style, your styling or your style tag will go into your head area, to your head element too. Do we get that now? So I've been able to see that your meta tag, okay, will go into your head. Your title, okay, will stay inside the head, okay. Then your styling, okay, your styling will also stay what? Inside the head, okay.